And that right there is why. All that is oil that is leaked out from this damn intercooler. By the way, these two sensors, that one in the middle of the screen now, and this guy here as well, they're a pair of knock sensors for the engine running. And then these connectors are for temperature coolant. And what, another one, I forget what it is, but temperature coolant is one of them for the intercooler itself, which you have to swap off from the old assembly into the new one. So there is the intercooler by itself. You can see what a wonderful pile of junk it is. You can see the seal is distorted there. And that's aluminum going into plastic, or whatever the hell it's called. And the two sensors. The newer ones, I understand, don't have one of these sensors. But with the actual new component, there's where the sensors go in, plus the intercooler that bolts on with seals and whatnot. So keep getting sidetracked with other jobs, so it's taking longer than I'd like, but it's getting done. But yeah, this is all nice aluminum. The one thing they change, they give you a big sticker on here. So for pre-2015 units, like this is a 2013, they use a different style of oil filter. Here is 2015 and newer filter. Here is, no, that's not going to work. See, there. Those are your two different styles of filter. Old one 2013, newer one 2015. And one of the reasons they changed is this component here. Very light duty plastic cage, spring loaded, ball valve for oil circulation and whatnot. That would break, and that little piece would wind up in orbit somewhere. You'd never find it. Then the engine oil would bypass and not be filtered properly. So that's why they went away with that to the new system that doesn't have that at all. And it's just got this little, like that in there, and that in there. Much better design, much more efficient design, much stronger design, far less likely to leak and cause problems. And yeah, what Chrysler should have done to begin with. Come on, Mom Mopar, you know better than that. So there's the upper intake and the lower intake. Yeah, I am making progress. My old, new again, over-engine creeper. It was a Mac Tools one. My dad reupholstered that because the seat had been out in the weather forever and was ruined. But yeah. This is not a job for the faint of heart. You definitely want to have at least some idea of what you're doing. And there's lots of torques and inverted torques and hidden screws and bolts. So you gotta be paying attention. You gotta know what you're doing to get in here. Oh, and by the way, these 3 coil packs are underneath the upper intake. So you have to go through the upper intake to put spark plugs in it anyway. So I've got those 2. They'll go in after I get the rest of this put together. It is coming. It's a big job. Onwards and upwards.